So we're here at 14356 Desert Wind, showing this beautiful home. It's got a really nice rock wall and wrought iron gates, slab all in the front. And as we walk in to the entrance here, greeted by this beautiful high ceiling. It's got a wrought iron door. Have a linen closet as you walk in. You walk into the living area with the fireplace, the TV, which is staying, the piano is not staying. You walk into the kitchen, nice open floor plan. House was recently remodeled. Cabinets, nice white bright color. All the appliances are staying, including the stainless steel double door refrigerator, the stove, and the dishwasher. You got a nice pantry, a good size here. And as we walk into the hallway, we have another linen closet here on the left. It's got plenty of storage. As we go down the hallway, on the right hand side, we have the first restroom. Nice brightly colored restroom. Tile all around the bathtub shower area. Tile throughout. The bedrooms have the wood floors. The first bedroom here, a very large bedroom with access to the side yard here. It's got a nice storm door, good sized closet. It's got a ceiling fan. Next bedroom right next to it. There's also a good sized bedroom here. Nice closet. This is bedroom number 2. Right next to it, bedroom number 3. Again with the wood floors here. This one has a good sized walk-in closet with shelving. This is bedroom number 3. Nice high ceilings. And we walk into the master bedroom. Very beautiful high ceilings, wood floor. This has 2 walk-in closets. The first one here has nice shelving, wood floors. We have the master bath. Completely tiled floor and walls around the shower. Really nice large vanity. And we have a second walk-in closet here. Nice shelving, enough storage for shoes and clothes. Very large walk-in closet. And then to the right of the master bedroom and the closet, we have a spa room. So we have a jetted tub here. It's currently being used as a workstation for a nail technician. We could easily put a massage table in here. Have a nice spa area, ceiling fan, access to the outside, nice storm door with a screen. And let's go out to the backyard here. We have our side yard with the slab halfway, and we have the rock. We have a dog run area here. If you have your pets, you can have them here in the dog run. That tree there will not be there when you come see it. It's a beautiful apricot tree, producing quite a bit of apricots based on what the owner is telling us. Nice, beautiful lawn, very well kept. As you can see, starting to get its color. Then you have the area here in the back with the porch, which also has the concrete slab. Quite a bit of space here. You have the extra lighting out here as well. A nice screen to pull down here, protect you from the sun. And we have the other side of the house. Give you a view of the front here. So this is our home we're going to be listing. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Please let me know if you have any questions. Also has refrigerated air. If you want any more details, please reach out. I'll be happy to help.